Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will explain about this material. In this material is about if you take care your vehicle regularly. Before we explain about this material, we want to introduce about our group. Please introduce myself. My name is Ageng M with NRB 0058 from Industrial Mechanical Engineering.
My name is Ashifa Darin with NRP 0039 from Industrial Mechanical Engineering.
My name is Amatorik with NRP 0068 from Industrial Mechanical Engineering.
After we introduce about our group, we want to explain about this material.
Before go to the topic, I will show you vehicles in our current era. I think vehicles is a basic needs. We can conclude that almost all of you has vehicles, maybe like a car or like a motorcycle. Vehicle make us easy to mobility from one place to another, and it will be efficient in time and more comfortable for us. And I'm also sure that almost all of you wear it every day in your daily activity. But how about wasting your vehicles? Take it routine service? And how about checking your vehicle's problem? Have you done all of this regularly? I don't think so. Because look at this diagram. In this diagram, we can know when people usually do surveys of their vehicles. 10% of the users never maintain their vehicles from the vehicles is new. 35% the users realize something wrong of their vehicles and do their service then. And next, 30% of the users maintain when their vehicles is already broke. And only 24% of the users maintain their vehicles regularly. So, from this data, we can conclude that people didn't take care of their vehicles properly and regularly.
Okay, after we watch about the data about people do service their vehicle, after that we will tell you how important to take care your vehicle regularly. The first is what's the problem? The first problem is the quality of the machine is decreased. Why? Because in this machine have several components. For the example is radiator and oil. I want to explain about this radiator. Radiator have a function to keep the engine running at optimal temperature. If the engine temperature gets hotter, the radiator make cooling down the engine. If the radiator make drying water, the engine gets overheat and then make a machine has decreased. The second is oil, condition about the oil. The oil have a function to keep clean the engine and then the cooling engine, and then the third is rubbing against each other. If the oil make a malfunction, and then the result is the machine has decreased. The second is electrical component get malfunction. The electrical component of the vehicle will also be malfunction. For the example is alternator problem. That alternator problem that recharge your battery where your vehicle engine is running. If it fail to do that properly, your vehicle's electrical accessories will continue to use up your battery's power. Another example is wiring problem. Wiring connection might be loose or even cut off accidentally. Other times, a short circuit may have caused specific wires to burn. And the third problem is the vehicle can be stalled and accident. A stalled engine is an engine that has stopped working entirely, causing the vehicle to stop working. And the second is the could be the result of something as simple as your vehicle being out of gas, or on this more in-depth issues your vehicle because the minimum maintenance. Without regular maintenance, you will probably not be able to identify any safety issues with your vehicle, which poses a serious risk to you and everyone else on board. And then there are problems with several components of the vehicle. If the vehicle rarely perform periodic service or maintenance, some components will have problems such as brake component, light component, tires, and spark plug. And then result in poor fuel economy. The system of the vehicle that is not maintained routinely will be working under pressure, and this causes the system to use up more energy.
And there is increases running costs. If our vehicle not maintained properly, it will be have some unidentified underlying issues which can sudden breakdown. The price of fixing the breakdown could be considerably higher than what you would probably pay for routine maintenance. Then what should we do? Easy. You can call your service center or your near workshop. You can call by phone if you want to request a service on this pandemic situation. You can maintain your vehicle with these two services. You can do periodic service or routine check in your vehicle. If you do routine check, you can minimize your component vehicle damage and you can immediately repair that component. Or you can also change the basic service. Things like oil change, oil filter change, and inspection of the main components on the vehicle.
And now I will pass you over the benefits of maintenance regularly. First benefit that you can get is improved fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency has become a top priority for most drivers who want to feel less of an impact of the environment. A dirty fuel system that is not changed can reduce your vehicle's fuel efficiency. So, do the service vehicle regularly. It's good for your environment. And then you can get increased performance. If we do periodic service in our vehicle and do vehicle maintenance, it can result in more optimal, responsive, and good vehicle performance. And next, you can save your money. If we do periodic service in our vehicle and do vehicle maintenance, it can stop spend many costs on vehicle maintenance and can also save your money. If you go to service center with your vehicle is already broke, it's just spend your money more. Last but not least, the vehicles are always ready to use and make it safety for us. Routine service will help you have a smooth drive and long road trips without facing any issue. If we do periodic service in our vehicle and do vehicle maintenance, our vehicles can always be ready for use without having to be afraid of damage between components, and we can also avoid the stall and accidents, so it can be more comfortable and safe for us. The next is conclusion. I just quick recap for our main points before. The vehicle must be serviced and maintained as regularly as possible. If we do not take care of our vehicle properly, various damage will occur and could pose a danger for our safety. By servicing vehicles regularly, we can maintain the quality of our vehicles and somehow we can save our money for the maintenance of vehicle. So, don't forget to service and maintain your vehicle regularly.
Okay, I think that's all for we presentation about this material. We want to say story. We want to say sorry about our mistake. And then, if you have any question, you can drop in this comment section. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice all day. Bye.